Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear FiveM cache. So for you to fix it, first you press the window key and you press R, and at the bottom left, this window will pop up. It will be probably empty, so you will write %local, add data percentage, and you press enter, and you wait for the folder to open up. Then you scroll and you will find to the FiveM folder here, and you open it up. Then you're going to the FiveM application data, you double click and select it. The data is in this folder. You open up the data folder and then you hold down the control button on your keyboard and you select the cache, the server cache, or this and the server cache priv folders. After you select all of them, you press right click and you press delete, and now after we have deleted them, everything should be done. As you can see, it's completing now and we have successfully deleted everything for now. I want to mention that by deleting this cache, you won't lose anything in terms of your progress in the game or your character. You will keep everything that you have in the game. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.